Hello guys, this is Sammy. This website is made with WordPress. So I'm going to find the WordPress version of this website. So to find the WordPress version of this website, firstly right click from your mouse. Then click on View Page Source. Then press Ctrl F from your keyboard. Then you can see the dialog box. Now write WordPress. Write WordPress. Then you can see the WordPress version 5.3.6. This website is using the old version of WordPress 5.3.6. This way you can find the WordPress version of any website. Now I'm going to show another website WordPress version. This website is also made with WordPress. Click on View Page Source. Now press Ctrl F from your keyboard. Write WordPress. Then you can see that this website WordPress version is 5.5.3. It is the updated version of WordPress. This way you can find any website's WordPress version. If you have any question, then you can write in the comment box. I'll try to give answer. Thank you for watching.